Solution-focused therapy isn't tied to the therapy room. It adapts beautifully to online and teletherapy spaces, where connection is virtual but still powerful. In fact, SFT's brief, focused, client-driven style makes it one of the most natural fits for virtual care. When a client logs into a session from their home, a dorm room, or a car, we meet them where they are. And that's the essence of SFT, honoring the client's world, language, and pace. Virtual sessions invite us to be more present, not less. We use our tone, facial expressions, and attention to create warmth and safety across the screen. Even in a 20-minute video call, we ask, "What's one thing you'd like to walk away with today? What's something that's helped since the last time we talked?" We can still use scaling. On a scale of 0 to 10, how hopeful are you feeling this week? Where were you last time? What helped move you up, or what held you back? Visual tools work too. Some clients like to draw scaling lines on paper and hold them up. Others use virtual whiteboards or send images that represent progress. Miracle questions remain powerful in virtual care. If this week suddenly felt easier, what would you notice first? What would be different in how you show up at work, home, or in your own thoughts? Online platforms even open up new ways to connect. We might use the chat feature to capture key phrases, or invite clients to journal and send in reflections between sessions. SFT also supports flexibility. A client might need shorter, more frequent check-ins. They might use messaging-based therapy or asynchronous video tools. SFT principles still apply. We stay curious. We ask strengths-based questions. We build on what's already working. For therapists, this means adjusting your delivery without losing depth. We slow down. We name what we observe on screen. "I noticed you lit up when you talked about that. What was that about?" Or, "Something shifted in your voice. Want to explore that a little more?" Even silence works online. We don't rush to fill the gaps. We hold space just like we would in person. Virtual therapy also brings new cultural and environmental contexts into the session. We see the client's space. We hear real-time dynamics. This is valuable data, and SFT treats it with care. In teletherapy, every small moment matters. A nod, a smile, a phrase like, "That's a good question." These become the micro-signals of change. We track and amplify them. Seems like this week had some wins. You said that with a lot of clarity. What's helping you feel more confident? SFT in virtual settings is more than just remote therapy. It's an invitation to keep therapy human, hopeful, and effective across any medium. Because even through a screen, people bring their goals, effort, and resilience. And all it takes is one well-timed question to turn a conversation into a catalyst.